Welcome to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel, where we share practical insights for personal growth and success. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of learning a second language and how it can not only boost your cognitive abilities, but also open doors for career opportunities. So whether you're thinking about picking up a new language or just curious about the advantages, this video is for you. Let's start with the cognitive benefits of learning a second language. Did you know that studying another language can actually improve your brain function? Research has shown that bilingualism enhances memory, problem-solving skills, and creativity. This is because when you learn a new language, your brain has to constantly switch between different linguistic systems, which strengthens your cognitive flexibility and attention. One fascinating study published by the American Psychological Association found that individuals who speak more than one language are better at multitasking and have sharper focus. Language learning is like a mental workout. Just as exercising your body improves physical strength, learning a new language keeps your brain healthy and sharp. Now let's talk about problem-solving skills. When you learn a language, you develop the ability to think in different ways and understand how to express ideas from multiple perspectives. This ability to adapt and approach problems creatively is highly valued in today's global job market. Beyond cognitive abilities, learning a second language can also significantly enhance cultural awareness. When you study a language, you inevitably learn about the culture, customs, and traditions of the people who speak it. This increased cultural sensitivity makes you more empathetic and open-minded, which are essential qualities in both personal relationships and professional settings. It helps break down barriers, fosters connections, and makes it easier to work with diverse teams. Now let's look at how language learning can positively impact your career opportunities. In our increasingly globalized world, employers are looking for candidates who can communicate across borders. Speaking a second language gives you a competitive edge in industries such as international business, diplomacy, tourism, and even tech. Take someone like Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, who speaks Mandarin fluently. His ability to communicate directly with Chinese business leaders has helped his company build stronger relationships and expand into new markets. This is just one example of how language skills can elevate your career and make you stand out in a crowded job market. So, how can you get started on your language learning journey? Here are a few tips. Set clear goals. Decide which language you want to learn and why. Whether it's for travel, work, or personal enrichment, having a specific goal in mind will keep you motivated. Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Listen to music, watch movies, or even change the language settings on your phone. The more exposure you have, the faster you'll pick it up. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Try to practice for at least 15 to 30 minutes every day. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise are great for daily language practice. Find a language partner. Engage in conversations with native speakers or fellow learners. Speaking the language is one of the best ways to reinforce what you've learned. Learning a new language isn't just a skill, it's a journey that broadens your horizons and opens up endless opportunities. Not only will it boost your brain power, but it will also enrich your understanding of the world and give you an edge in your career. In conclusion, the benefits of learning a second language are vast, from improving cognitive abilities like memory and problem solving to enhancing your career prospects and cultural awareness. Whether you're starting with a few words or diving deep into a new language, remember that every step you take is one toward personal growth and new opportunities. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel for more tips on personal growth and success.